Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I have another product update and product install video. Today I'm going to show you how to install some sound deadening in the 56 Dodge. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I ordered some sound deadening material. I went with this company called Kilmat. I ordered it off on Amazon. It's fairly inexpensive. It's a good price. It's got good reviews on YouTube. I said, why not? Let's give it a shot. Let's see if it works for the 56. I also ordered a roller to help apply it. See how that works out. So let's open the box. Let's take a look what's inside. Alright, some instructions. Good packaging. About 47 sheets. 50 mil thickness. Oh, the camera can pick that up. Yeah, let's give it a shot, see what happens. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Kilmat in the interior of the cab here. I'm going to apply directly over this clean surface that I recently applied, LIZARDSKIN ceramic insulation. This stuff is very expensive, so I'm going to go ahead and top coat it with the Kilmat. See how that does on sound. Let's do a little sound test before I install this. Let's go. Let's do sound test 1 before the Kilmat. Alright guys, I'm literally going to apply this one sheet at a time. I'm going to go ahead and apply it using a good pair of utility scissors, the application roller, and a good box knife. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, I'm very pleased on how this turned out. About a couple hours worth of work, no big deal. As you can see, one box was plenty to go ahead and do the whole interior of the cab.
highly recommend this product. Very easy to install. Just make sure your surface is clean and dry. It is peel and stick. I do highly recommend getting the roller to go ahead and roll it on. Make sure you get a nice clean surface to apply it to. But overall, very easy to work with. I'm going to go ahead and do a before and after sound test.
Alright guys, I'm back with my final thoughts and review about this product, about Kilmat sound deadening. Went on fairly smooth and easy, about a couple hours worth of work. If you do remember, the only tools I used to install this was a good utility knife, good pair of scissors, and the applicator roller you get on Amazon for $6. Make sure your surface is clean and dry before applying this product to promote good adhesion. Go ahead and roll it on, get all the air bubbles out, make it nice and tight. You should be fine. I did apply this product over LIZARDSKIN, ceramic insulation, if you do remember. No problems doing that. Do I recommend that? No, I think it's a little bit of overkill, but I do want to have a nice, smooth, comfortable ride rolling down the street, and eventually have one nice sound system in here. Totally up to you. If you want to do it that way, you don't have to. That's what I did. One box was plenty to do the whole interior of the truck, the floor, the firewall, the roof. For the money, you can't go wrong. I think if you're on the fence about applying a sound deadening material on your vehicle, I would definitely give Kilmat a try and check it out. I'm not endorsed or sponsored by any of these companies. I'm just a normal guy doing normal things in my garage, just one day at a time. Good reviews on Amazon. There's other YouTube videos about this product, so give it a shot. I'll go ahead and catch you on the next one. Later, guys.